Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming basics. Power cycle the modem and router, then check their internet LEDs so you know the ISP link is live. On the Xbox, go to Network Settings and note the current SSID and whether it's 4 GHz or 5 GHz, why that matters too. 4 GHz has better range but more interference. If Wi-Fi looks flaky, plug a wired Ethernet cable to isolate wireless issues. Once done, you'll have separated ISP, router, and console layers. Run the Xbox network diagnostic and note any error codes. That tells you if it's a DNS, NAT, or wireless problem. If DNS fails, set a static IP on the console and input reliable DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass router DNS issues. For Wi-Fi problems, change the router channel to avoid interference, temporarily disable MAC filtering, and only enable DMZ briefly for testing. These steps narrow whether security or radio settings block the connection. After making changes, reboot the modem, router, and Xbox, then rerun the network test and confirm NAT type is open or moderate for online play. If problems persist, factory reset the router and reconfigure only essential settings to eliminate corrupt config. As a final targeted tip, if the Xbox connects to a phone hotspot but not your home network, gather router logs and error details and contact your ISP. That tells support whether to focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.